Speed to lead is more important than anything else. And it was something that was sort of falling by the wayside. We were missing leads during the day. We were missing leads when I was with kids in the evening. We were missing leads when I was sleeping. Since we've implemented LeadTruffle, I feel like I've been hands off and we've closed business and gotten new customers on the schedule without me really having to do anything. The one post-construction clean for $1,000 that we just closed, as well as a bi-weekly customer. From day one, it's been super manual. I've been taking phone calls, and speed to lead is very important. And it was something that was sort of falling by the wayside. I thought about hiring someone. I'd probably have to spend maybe 40 grand, 50 grand a year. And LeadTruffle just seemed like the simplest, easiest path for us. Since we've implemented LeadTruffle, I feel like I've been hands off and we've closed business and gotten new customers on the schedule without me really having to do anything. One post-construction clean for $1,000. That right there in and of itself pays for the month. And we're only a week and a half into the month. Immediate responses to our Google LSA inquiries and our Thumbtack inquiries has been massive. Being able to track that, just looking at the dashboard, seeing all the customer conversations that are happening. I think the biggest thing that I was looking at was, can we get LeadTruffle to convert that many customers on a monthly basis to make sure that we're seeing the ROI we need to. On top of that, I feel like I'm doing less in the business and I'm able to focus on a little bit more strategic work. Hands down, this is going to be able to help us really scale the business.